Hi, I'm Sherry Buckner with Grace Monroe Home and Design with the Pros, and today I'm going to show you how to make these adorable cotton balls, and they are so easy. You're going to be surprised when you see how easy they are. Let me show you what you're going to need to make it. You're going to need a bag of cotton, and this came from Dollar General. You're going to need a bag of Potpourri. This came from Dollar Tree, and it is a bag that has a lot of little pieces of hulls of nuts and things. So you're going to need a bag of that. And then you're going to also need your glue gun. And then you're going to want to get some either covered wire stems. You can get these at Walmart, or you could just use twigs. Either way. So what you're going to do to start, you're going to take 3 of your cotton balls and your glue gun, and you're just going to hold them just like this in your hand, and then glue them together by putting your glue right there and then just gluing it together just like this. Then you're going to take your twig or your covered wire. You're going to put a little glue on the end of it, and you're just going to stick it in the middle of your cotton just like this so that it holds really good to your stem, just like that. Okay, then you want to open your bag of Potpourri, and you want to find some of the little hulls that look like this. And you can just dig through. You'll find some because most of these bags have these in them. Just little holes that look like this, and you want 3 of these. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to put glue on the end that is the smallest end, just like this. And you're going to take your cotton and you're going to put this right into the center of where 2 of your cotton pieces meet, just like that. And then you're going to turn it around and you're going to do the same thing with the other 2. So these are going right in the middle of where those cotton pieces meet, just like that. I told you you are not going to believe how easy this is. Just like that. And there is your cotton ball. Now look how easy that is. And these are wonderful to use in wreaths. They are great to use in arrangements, and are great for farmhouse look, anything like that. So I want you to go get some of this and try it. I think you're going to be surprised at how easy it is, and it's going to save you a lot of money. A stem of these, if you buy these, usually they'll come with several on a stem for $6.99. This together, this whole project cost me about $3, and I have got tons that I can make with all of these cottons. So make sure to try this and let us know how you like it. Again, I'm Sherry Buckner with Grace Monroe Home. Thank you for joining me today.